All right, today we're going to replace the rear park assist sensor on a 2007 GMC Yukon Denali. And you can see I've got my new sensor here. Ideally, this is going to need to be painted. There's a specification typically around 13 mil for the paint thickness that's on this. And so in a perfect world, we're going to have this painted and reinstall it. For now, we're just going to go ahead and install this. So we've got access on the back side of the bumper here. There's just a couple little tabs that are going to clip this in place, and we've got our electrical connector. So let's go and look at the other side of the bumper a minute, and let's remove our sensor. So now we're on the inside of the bumper. You can kind of see the back of the frame here. And so this is a really pretty easy one to gain access to. So there's a couple of plastic tabs here that we're going to release, and be careful not to snap them off. And I'm going to gently rock this sensor back and forth and remove it here. Now, once I get it out, that's when I'm going to disconnect the electrical connector. So you can see I've removed it from the bumper here. I'm going to gain access to the electrical connector. I'm going to swap it out. I'm going to take my new sensor, plug it in, clip it in place, and then we're obviously going to retest this system to make sure that it's working properly. On this particular model, though, there's not a calibration or any initialization procedures. This is truly a plug-and-play type design. And so once this is done, we verify that the system is operating as expected. The job is complete. So again, we're verifying after the job that the system is working properly. So you can hear the audio signal, and you can see this set of tires I put behind it here. So this system is now working properly.